What's cracking like on YouTube? This is Frostbite. Thank you for joining the channel. Today we're going to be playing Plug and Play. It's a game that a lot of people have been recommended to me, so I figured I'd give it out a try. So, let's get started. Well, must be a wall there. What about up here? Alright. So the game's called Plug and Play, so let's give this a shot. And we beat the game! Woo! We got it! Wait. Okay, click. What's that? Oh my god. Can we... Oh, we can move it! Oh. Why are they so long? Can we pause it? Oh, okay. Oh no! Don't touch. Don't touch. Why? No. Alright. Maybe I have to. Just do it. Touch each other. Poke. Poke. Poke you too. Poke. What? Wait a minute. No. We're like doing the wave. You gotta go. No. 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 We need to go that way, but buddy, you're messing up the whole thing. We need to go the other way. Oh my gosh. What the heck? No freaking wonder. Jesus. Oh my god, I'm just stopping right there. What the heck is this? Is it a baby? It's a baby! It's a baby! It's poop. Tell me he's not doing... Oh my gosh, what the heck is this game? Oh, it sounds like metal when he does his thing to it. Aww. Uh-oh. What the heck is this? Oh, you kind of connected yourself by yourself. Oh my gosh! Oh god, no! Well, maybe he'll change it up and not do it this time. Maybe he'll be a good guy. Nope, it's just not happening. It's not happening today. This game is warped. Oh gosh! Next! Shoot. Yeah. Ah. Oh, not the fingers again. Oh, it's an entire hand. We're gonna miss. We can't make a miss. What the heck? What's going on here? Here. Look at the little finger. Oh! Whoa! Oh god, I thought we were switching positions. The heck? Oh my god, I don't even want to know what happens here. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Everything's gotten limp. What? Everything's just limp. No. It looks like an elephant's trunk. I'm sure y'all are thinking something else, right? Oh. Yes, it does look like a worm. Flippy flappy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and please leave a like, share, comment down below what y'all guys thought of the game. Tell me if y'all even played this game before, or if you're going to, and I'll catch y'all guys on my next video. Peace out, guys.